This video will demonstrate how to change page orientation. Page orientation is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. To change page orientation, select the worksheet for which you want to change the orientation. My worksheet is open and it has been selected. Now on the Page Layout tab, I'm going to click it. I'm going to hover over to the Page Setup group, click it to open it, and locate Orientation. By default, Portrait is set. Portrait is taller than Landscape. To select Landscape, I'm going to select it. Landscape is wider. And then I'm going to select OK. This concludes the demonstration for page orientation.